How to add variables in Figma. In this video, I'll show you how to add and use variables in Figma step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on your device. After that, click on search bar and open Figma app. Now open an existing file or create a new one. Now go to right sidebar and click on the variables icon. If you don't see it, click on the 4-dot icon in the toolbar and select variables. Click create collection to group your variables. Name it something meaningful like colors, spacing or typography. Next, click on this plus variable. Then choose a type like color, number, string or boolean. Give your variable a name and set its value. To use a variable, select an element like a shape or text, and instead of setting a value manually, click the variable icon and pick your set variable. You can also set up modes like light and dark theme using the same variables. Super useful for UI kits and design systems. And that's it. This is how you add and use variables in Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.